What's good, man? It's your boy Paul the Saint. We back with another bang of a video. First of all, first things first. There goes Google. What? Google Drive Street Service, whatever you wanna call it. Hey, anyways, we back. Yeah, today Nikita's not here, as you can see. I don't have a passenger princess for now. My passenger princess, I'm gonna go fetch him. So I don't think you've seen Tyreek on the channel before. Maybe you'll have, maybe you'll haven't. If you're the OGs, I'm sure you'll have. But yeah, Tyreek is gonna be my passenger princess today. I don't know if Tyrell's coming with. I don't know if Tyrell's working or whatever. But yeah, I'm driving to the south now to go and fetch Tyreek. And then from there, we're gonna go buy what we need to be bought. So today, I don't necessarily know what exactly I'm buying. So I don't know what the title and thumbnail of the video is gonna be. I'll figure that out as the day goes. But one thing I know for sure, I'm buying lights for the car so I can bright shine like a diamond, so I can see better at the night time. Yeah. So let me stop talking because I already made an intro before this video, and that intro alone was 3 minutes long because I was talking crap. Because another stage driver, yeah, I'm not gonna make this thing long. Anyways, I'll check y'all when we get to the south. So Mensa, within. Let me just show you something. Down go. Yeah. Oh yes. Mine's very clean, but still good. Yeah. I'm gonna put you on YouTube now. Say hello.
What's up, bro?
Yeah, you must tell them to subscribe to the channel, ne? Yeah. Means I'm gonna buy another Polo. I'm gonna fuck other ones for the fog lights. I can put those things as fog lights, nah?
Yeah.
But I'm gonna look dumb, yeah. Then you have a Volkswagen. Okay.
Yeah, so go and try your luck.
I'm not trying my luck. I'm gonna say you said I must pay the price. But I'm coming. I first want to shop around first. Let us see what else we can buy, Mensa. Just wanna say, yeah, it's certain traffic. Heavy traffic. Yo. What else liquor is it to buy to make a car look nice? Wait.
It's Basush.
But as I look at it, I say, oh, Bosch. Can't I say, yay? Can I have a first aid kit? Do you have a first aid kit in your car? I don't know. A laser gun. Hey, what is this? Gotta put a hydro windbreak in a Polo. Hey, man, Salakam, I just forged something here. Nice. Gotta be lights for days. God, I almost forgot about. See, they're smart. They put this thing in the front. Gotta buy 30 rock stickers for a pillow. You don't have brighter ones. The brightest. It's gonna make my life shine bright like a diamond. Yeah. Alright. How many you put it? 3, ne? In total?
One big one, 2 small ones.
Yes, correct, Mendo. Must give me a nice price now.
You're gonna pay cash?
Yes. If I pay cash, you must give me so 500 rand off. Because when the last time I came here, they said it's 850 for both. If I pay with cash.
Okay, so it's 2018.
Is that if I pay cash?
990.
So Benza, we've got our lights. There's a China mall there. We came to relish. So because I can't eat any chicken or meat, I gotta find me a toasty and seasoned tomato because I'm fasting for Lent. And you know, there's the Lani strands outside. There's my passenger princess for the day. See, hello, free men say so. It's Romesi. Cara telling me the passenger princess for the day.
I said, you're a pay.
On my order, except. So yeah, man, sir, we couldn't go through this time, unfortunately, because the traffic was, you know, traffic was too much today. So we just made it in time to the China Mall, and then we were supposed to go to Auto Style. The traffic to Auto Style, we are not gonna make it in time, so we said it's pointless. Yeah, so now we're probably gonna go beyond, I don't know, maybe just gonna put one set of lights on. Now I just shot wiring kit or wiring harness or whatever you wanna consider it for the fog lights. Yeah. Today is what, Saturday. I think there's gonna be boost nights tonight. Hey, but it's probably gonna rain again. But yeah, man, so I don't know, I'm still gonna get to the house, okay? Show man, sir. We are by. Oh, this thing make me look like I'm blue. Sally, stop crying. So we are by HQ. We did buy things. Aibo. Come, I show you what to buy. So we bought LEDs for the inside, for the light of the car, and we bought number plate lights. Then we bought fog lights. And we bought driving lights. Whoa! This is a lekker thing, I can slap him so. Yeah. Who wants a shout out? I think I must start letting a shout out challenge every video, ne? So you must be able to do something in order to get a shout out, ne? I think we must start doing something like that. I'll figure it out, but for now I'll probably put I'll only put the number plate lights and the inside light in that video, then I'll put those lights in another video, but for now I'm just gonna test for those lights, the fog lights, because I don't necessarily have the wiring harness and the switch to switch the fog lights on and wire the harness for the lights. But yeah, this is all that was bought. Come I pause it now for you and go to the light now fast. So this is what we did buy. Come I open one at least. Yeah, Francis big learning specs. This is the driving lights, this is the fog lights, this is the number plate lights, this is the car, and then this is the other car, Sterix car. I don't know, this is the only bride now that park is kind of on his car out. What's wrong with him? But anyways, yeah, we're gonna see now where. So man, sir, that thing actually gonna come in the end, what? That man, he make me dumb. That man there by the winkle. I say one big one, two small ones. He give me the same size. He's black.
Starting a video now again.
Yo, my friend, must give content for that soup, my friend. Guess how much I pay for those lights?
Clipper.
Come on now. Be realistic.
So what did you buy?
For both of them, nah. Pay 9 clipper. And if I must show you how bright they are, you tell me I'm lying. Hey! Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Ja. Ons is online. Ons station. Station Lanis. So there's one set of lights in there, mensen. I'm gonna show you all now. Just want to close this thing. I don't want to break nothing. Hoi. Hoya. Ay, why does he don't do? That's it. Ish. Oh yeah. Okay, so that look nice and sexy. Is Gucci. Let us go and install the number plate lights now. I'll come and first show you all something. See there, look nice. So white bright light. Then gonna go put a number plate lights in. So Terry, what are you doing? What are you doing, friend?
I'm earthing Randy. Must be down to earth, you understand?
Yes.
Like this.
Obviously, what pressure is gonna be stronger? I don't
Compared to the rats and
have bags. I don't.
compared to
So once you open it, you buy it now.
obviously not. Those things is not. I don't make those things fire. The plastic one is better than that.
Nah. It's about to get it.
Yes, it's back to factory.
Come on, once you don't fuck up. I don't have a bag there anymore.
How much?
Yeah. So, Mensa, just so you can say you're so Nikita in this vlog, just say hello for the people.
I'm Mensa.
Oh, that is a long Mensa. Tell them what they must do.
Must like, subscribe, and don't forget to share the video.
Okay, and tell them what we buy today, so I can show them fast.
We bought lights for the number plates, and then we bought lights for the front.
Okay, just so you can say you're so charades for the day. Yes, charades for the day. Yeah, okay, let's tell them Mensa what to do.
Do whatever you want to. You're big for motivational quotes.
Thank you. So here's the number plate lights. Looking lacquer. Car is a bit dirty. Okay. Thing is putting Zara to sleep. So yeah, here's the number plate lights. And then there's the inside light and there's the driving lights. I'm gonna put those in tomorrow. It will be next week's video or next week's video. But yeah, other than that, we're gonna drive home now. And yeah, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. It's your boy Bola saying Nikita and my passenger princess for today, Tyreek, signing off. Peace.